Imagine opening an electrical schematic project that already knows what components you'll use, how they look, and how they connect. Now you are making a single change and watch your entire schematic, reports, documentation update automatically. This is not automation, this is not AI, but this is the power of libraries in SOLIDWORKS Electrical. I am Anantha Narayanan, an application engineer. I'll show you why libraries are the hidden engine behind fast, accurate, and collaborative electrical design. In many electrical design environments, engineers still depend on manually created symbols and repetitive drafting work. This creates inconsistency in projects. Here, the problem isn't the software, it's absence of an electrical intelligent system. That's where SOLIDWORKS Electrical changes the workflow entirely. In SOLIDWORKS Electrical, a library is not just a storage location, it's a design accelerator. Here, when you place a component, you are placing a standardized symbol and verified electrical data. This shifts the role of engineer from drafting lines to merging intelligent design data. In many software tools, symbols, reports live separately, but in SOLIDWORKS Electrical, libraries connect everything. This means that there is no redrawing symbols and no manual cross-checking. A change made once propagates everywhere. This is where team saves time. Now multiply that time across an entire team. Yes, SOLIDWORKS Electrical libraries can be shared across departments and locations. This ensures standardized symbols and uniform project documentation, which helps us to eliminate personal design style and replace them with organization standards. SOLIDWORKS Electrical includes multiple types of library such as symbol libraries, manufacture part libraries, macro libraries, project templates, and many more classification. The advantage is simple. They work together to create a replaceable, scalable, and error-free designs. This brings us to one of the most powerful features, the Electrical Content Portal. Electrical Content Portal provides access to pre-approved manufacturer components, original standardized electrical data, and verified symbols. Instead of creating components from scratch, engineers can download industry-validated content directly into their libraries. This improves accuracy and ensures standards with real-world components. And when a required component isn't available, SOLIDWORKS Electrical doesn't restrict you. Engineers can import existing symbols and create custom symbols. Once added, these components behave just like standard content, reusable, consistent, and traceable. So, libraries in SOLIDWORKS Electrical are not just a feature. They are structural backbone of an electrical schematic design used for better collaboration and reliable documentation. When libraries are done right, design becomes predictable and innovation becomes faster. And I conclude by saying that the strength of your design lies in the library you keep.